Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to claim this particular airdrop, Konnex. Alright, Konnex is going to be the first airdrop you're going to claim on this channel for the year 2026, and you do not want to miss out on this. Alright, Konnex have already raised about $15 million for its airdrop, and this project is going to take us less than 3 minutes to complete. Alright, the status of the airdrop is already confirmed, so at the end of this airdrop campaign you are sure of getting airdrop. All right, they're going to do airdrop for its farmers. All right, you can see this is confirmed. The reward date is not known yet because this is actually a new airdrop. All right, if I scroll down a bit, you discover that this airdrop came live on the 20th of January 2026, so you're pretty new to this particular airdrop. So make sure you follow all the processes I'm about to show you right now on how to claim this particular airdrop. All right, over here is their Twitter account. You can always come up here to follow them and stay updated on their airdrop campaign. All right, the correct account has about 209k followers. You can see this right here. All right, so once you check down the video description, you're going to see the link to this particular airdrop, Konnex Airdrop. But before that guys, if you're new to this channel or you're not yet subscribed, all you have to do guys is just to come up here to our channel and smash the subscribe button. Once you click the subscribe button, you go ahead and turn the notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, once you're done with that, do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. All right, now go down the video description and check for the link for this particular airdrop. Once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to this page. All right, over here guys, you can see once you make use of my referral link, you're going to get 50 points. You can see you've earned your first 50 points for using a referral link. And once you're done from here guys, all you have to do is just to scroll down a bit and connect your wallet. All right, we need a wallet to participate in this particular airdrop. Now you can use your phone or your PC to do this. Any of them will work perfectly fine. All right, so I'll just go ahead and connect my wallet, and the next thing guys is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect with Ethereum. Now we have a list of wallets you can use to connect this, ranging from MetaMask, Phantom wallets, OKX wallets, and all the rest of them. All right, but personally I would like to use my OKX Web3 wallet to connect to this particular airdrop. So you can go ahead to use your MetaMask, your Phantom wallet, any wallet you want to make use of. All right, so all I have to do guys is just to click on OKX Web3 wallets, then go ahead and sign this in my wallet. Now all I have to do guys is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect. All right, you can see my wallet address is connected. Okay, I have one more thing to sign. Just click on confirm and make sure you're connected to hub.connex.world. all right, now over here guys, all you'll be looking out for is to boost these points. All right, the major point of this particular airdrop campaign is for you to boost up your airdrop points. Now at the moment I have 0, so if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the leaderboard, people topping up the list for this particular airdrop. The first person has about 954 points. Here's the second person, the third person, and if you scroll down the list, you will see it all. All right, and we have different ways we can use to boost up these points. The first one guys is just to go ahead and connect your Twitter account. You get about 10 points just for connecting your Twitter account. So I'll quickly do this. Click on Connect X. Now this is automatically going to come up. All you have to do guys is just to go ahead and click on Authorize App. All right, so now I have about 60 points. You can see this right here. I have about 60 points right here. Remember, I was given 50 points just for signing up with your referral link, and like I told you guys, once you use my referral link, you're going to get 50 points as bonus. All right, now after claiming 10 points for connecting my X accounts, and I have a total of about 60 points. Now for you to gain more points, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and follow them on X, go ahead and join their Discord, join their Telegram. You still get the chance of getting 20 points each just by completing all of these. Now this one that says testnet task. All right, all you have to do is just to come up here and sign up for this task right here. You get about 50 points. Then these are social tasks you have to do. Once you check in every 2 days, all right, this is points updates in 2 days. Check in every 2 days, you stand the chance of claiming about 10 points. All right, and for you to refer your friends, just in case you want to refer your friends, all you have to do is just to come up here and get your referral link, share it to your friends, and anyone that registers, you get a percentage bonus from them. All right, now if you have any questions in completing all of these tasks, all you have to do is just to put it down in the comment section, and I'll do well to respond to your questions. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.